Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by collecting only what employers will verify: job titles, employers' dates, and 3 quantified achievements per role. Once done, decide reverse chronological for steady career progression or a skills-based layout if changing fields. This influences section order. Make sure to include full contact details and a concise LinkedIn headline that matches your resume. Start a 1-page draft for early career candidates or 2 pages for senior roles. Save it as PDF and a clean editable copy for tailoring. You now write content with precision. Open with a short professional summary that states who you are, what you deliver, and your target role. Then list roles with 3 to 5 bullet achievements each, starting with strong verbs and ending with metrics when possible. Once done, integrate keywords from the job posting naturally to past applicant tracking systems. Match Canadian spelling and industry terms. Make sure formatting is consistent, same fonts, spacing, and clear section headings to improve scannability. You finalize by drafting a 1-page cover letter that opens with a hook, explains the specific value you bring, and closes with a clear call to action tied to the employer's needs. Then proofread carefully for Canadian spelling, consistent dates, and parallel grammar. Save both files as PDF using clear file names. Once done, submit tailored applications. If you don't get interviews, make sure to vary keywords, tighten the summary to match each posting, and ask a colleague to review for clarity and tone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.